Today I'm going to bring you through the painting process of a modern smoothie and coffee cafe that I've captured with my handphone when we were last in Chiang Mai. We stayed for 2.5 years there, and I've never painted any of the sceneries in gouache. I'm going to start a series of gouache process paintings to journal my family's life experience in Chiang Mai. This is Ang Kiao Reservoir within the facility of CMU University. It is our very first stop, our first morning upon reaching Chiang Mai from Bangkok by bus that's fully loaded with 9 suitcases. This is Mon Pa Dam viewpoint, a viewpoint further up from Doi Pui viewpoint of Doi Suthep, and we caught an astonishing sight of the Chiang Mai city. This is a completed sketch I've done yesterday for this viewpoint. In this video, I will also share with you the limited color palette that I used for color harmony. I will also show you the range of colors that can be produced from this limited set here. Okay, let's get into painting now. I will usually start by using a color pencil, and in this case it's an oil pastel pencil to start to mark in the bigger shapes in the photo that I can see. So right now I'm doing the roof of this smoothie coffee cafe, and the next thing I'll be marking will be the ground area. So I will not go into intricate details of the picture, but instead just the big items will do to have a good placement. I have come up with my limited palette, and the first color 01 here, it is light ultramarine lake. So this one is from Pibio. There is only a few brands that is available here in Singapore, so maybe I will buy online next time. But so far this is number 1, 01, and 02 is from Dollar Rowney Rose Pink 576. Number 3, this one here is Brilliant Yellow 607, also from Dollar Rani. This is the designer squash. So far it has been performing very well. Number 4 will be Lamb Black. Okay, so I use these 4 colors here and a white color, permanent white, to mix in the range of colors that you can see here. So basically 01 plus 02 mixed together the same amount will give you 0102 here. So this one is purplish color, and so I'm mainly using these 4 colors to mix and plus white. So this one plus white will be this white color here. So this one is slightly lighter, more pastel, like lavender. Okay, so after that I will continue on. So with this one, okay, mixing of 02 and 03 will give me this one. Okay. Initially I'm very confused about this color palette, what color makes up all this and the placement of each color. So after that I started to write the number inside, which I find it so much easier. Let's say if I want this tone, I will just straight away refer to, okay, 02 plus 04. 04 will be which one? Black. Okay, So a combo of 02 plus 04 and plus white color, W is white color, will give me this tone. Alright, so this is how I come up with this chart, and I have a small listing of them here. So this is something that I will be keeping inside my brush holder or something like that, the one that folds up and rolls up, and I can bring this chart out if I am going to paint outside next time. Okay, so far I'm still painting from home because all my photos from Chiang Mai, they are in place in the hard disk, right? Okay, so I'm going to continue my painting now. I will usually start the painting in using a very thin layer of gouache. Gouache can be mixed with water and acts like watercolor at the same time. So it is a very flexible medium to use. The first layer is very thin and transparent, which I can add on further tones later when I needed to. Then I will start to block in the bigger shapes in the photo. So right now I am blocking in the triangular shape of the roof with a slightly darker tone than the background. Then I will move on to other slightly bigger shapes as well. So then I will start to cover the rest of the painting with shapes, which I will add in the details in much later. So this smoothie coffee cafe is actually located on the part where we are going up to the highest peak of Doi Suthep, where there is a temple. So it is somewhere at the middle, okay, on the flight of very long stairs that will lead us to the temple. If you are driving up to Doi Suthep, this is the very first viewpoint that your car will be able to reach. Okay, so there is this very beautiful scenery where you can see the whole Chiang Mai mountain town landscape. Plus, it is very sunny when the first time we reach there, so it's extremely beautiful and peaceful. This one is Doi Pui viewpoint. It is only a short car distance away after the car had crossed the highest temple on Suthep. It has beautiful, magnificent scenery. It is cooling up there in the winter months that we reached Chiang Mai. We also had delicious white coconut ice cream bought from a freelance vendor who drove his bike all the way up to sell the ice creams. This is a photo taken the first time we went hiking up Doi Suthep on a sunny morning. It is very steep hike for a typical Singaporean like me personally, who can only walk well on flat garden roads. The landscape is very dry also during the winter time, but it is still a very beautiful terrain picture taken on the trail. Okay, back to the painting. After I had painted out the bigger shapes with lighter tones, I will make sure that they are dried before I come in with my liner, tiny brush to add in the intricate details. I reminded myself that this is only a sketch and that I should take maximum 2 hours to complete it, so it is important to simplify the painting by only including the representative items. For this instance here, I'm only painting a few cups and 1 coffee mixer to roughly send in the idea of what the picture is about. Every drawing takes the same process of first blocking out the big shapes with a big flat brush and then adding in details which tells the story of the picture. Every part is interesting and takes patience and time to slowly complete the whole thing. When all the gouache paintings are done and dried, I will use permanent micron pen to add in the wordings. For white colors wordings, I will use a jelly roll pen which goes well on gouache too. Some areas require touch-up with color pencils, which helps to add in a sense of texture into the sketch. It's interesting to have a combo of different mediums in the sketch too. This painting is coming to an end soon. Thanks for painting with me today. If you enjoyed this gouache painting video, give me a like. It helps the YouTube algorithm, shows you more art videos like this. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss my next painting session in Chiang Mai. Thank you so much. Welcome back and bye-bye.